Ready! Got him? Don Keaton? Okay. Hey, stay in an oil refinery. Make sure they don't stack up.
Hey, was that you, Michael?
Yeah, that was me. Sorry, Brandon.
It's okay. Washington's plans are failing.
Make sure they don't stack up, okay? I'm making sure they don't flank around over here, okay?
Got it. I have like a wall set up, so.
Oh, that's good, that's good. Make sure they don't run across though, okay?
Got it. Let's do my best. I got the best thing ever.
Okay.
Guy, yeah, come see this.
No, dude.
We took out the door on the way in.
We did?
Yeah, left door. Back
Oops,
door.
my bad.
It's cool. Don't worry about it.
I hear some talking back there.
Yeah, I heard it too.
They're still back there. What's going on? What's going on?
No, I'm burned.
Someone on berm?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure you're not.
They were so close to getting me, dude.
Make sure you're fine with no, watch door.
My back is hanging out though right now.
We only have 2 people in here, so we have to cover 3 points with 2 people. Make sure you're not in line of sight with the window.
Oh no, I blocked the window completely.
Okay, that's good.
I just stacked 2 barrels on top of each other.
That's really nice, dude.
I was using it to block the door.
Okay. Is there anyone back there?
That's my.
You see any? Oh. Moving outside. I think it's Mikey stacking up. Yep, he's right outside.
Where?
He's at our 12 right next to the building. I see him. He's just, hi Mikey!
Hey, I'm out.
Oh, he's out. There's,
Dang it. Maybe I'm walking. Snack me real quick. What? Snack me real quick. Can I ask you a favor? What? Mine came out. Mike, you were in the middle of a firefight, so you're out. So, that's what
hey, Ian! We're in the building! What? Hey, Ian, stay there. Watch this way. Watch that way. Okay, make sure he doesn't push up. We're pushing up on them. Say again? They're on the left? I'm not sure. We got quite a few of them though.
To my knowledge, it's just the 3 of us.
And there might be like one or 2 more people left.
Maybe Lance, too.
Yeah, I'm not sure about Lance.
They took burned up.
They did?
I'm pretty sure. Alright, I see Nick, he's on burn.
He's on berm. Okay.
Nick's on burn.
See if you have a shot on him.
I can't. He has all the windows locked up. Alright, I have.
I'm gonna see if I can get a shot.
I think he's got you.
Where is he?
Alright. You looking up that window?
Oh, I see him.
Here.
Waiting till I have a shot. I see him though.
Want me to peek?
No, we're good.
I'll peek and then you come back to me.
There's another one on berm. Just skimmed my hat. Got him? He's out, he's out. Nick, you hit? One left on berm, he's by... Fuck. He's by barrels.
By barrels?
Yeah, he's by barrels. He's sneaking around. Don't let him push.
No?
He's by barrels.
I said who?
Mario.
Alright. I thought Mario was out.
Nah.
Because he's not.
Don't let him get any shots on you. If he peeks, take it. You need to suppress him until he gets really confident with his shot. And then we can get a nice shot on him. I don't think he's still moving. I think he might be moving down below, so...
Alright, I'm in it. We're over firing.
Mario, are you hit? He's not hit. He's at game over? Okay. Game over! Game over! What?
Come see my setup.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
When this came earlier, before they started shooting at it, I had it like right here. And it was like this.
That's hilarious. Hey, dude, Tanner, come out over here.
What?
Game over! Dude.